Hello. Let me introduce you to the latest solution from our range of products. Our two new products, if used in combination, will allow you to seal and refill a leaking AC system. Thanks to its unique formula, EasyKlima ProDry removes moisture from the system and converts it into a synthetic oil as a result of the reaction. Our product does more than just dehumidify the system. This inconspicuous can also contain the refrigerant. This helps fully prepare the system for sealing. EasyKlima ProSeal eliminates leaks from all rubber and metal components such as O-rings, gaskets, radiator, dehumidifier, condenser, hoses, charging ports. Our product penetrates into all nooks and crannies and hardens when it comes in contact with the air, permanently sealing all leaks. Just like EasyKlima ProDry, EasyKlima ProSeal contains refrigerant to ensure comprehensive care of your AC system in just 2 simple steps. Please note that ProSeal cannot be used in cars with an electric compressor and those with variable compression pitch. There is no need to worry. These models are quite rare and, if you have doubts, we will help determine whether your car is compatible with our products. Please note that after using EasyKlima ProDry you must wait 15 minutes. The refrigerant contained in EasyKlima ProDry and EasyKlima ProSeal is the same as that contained in EasyKlima gas. You will learn more about it in one of our videos on our channel and in the description of this video. If you want to learn how to use our products correctly, visit EasyKlima.com or click on the video on the screen.